Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever imagined waking up in ancient Egypt, walking through the streets of ancient Greece, or living as a medieval blacksmith? Videos that let viewers experience history from a first-person perspective are exploding across YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram Reels. Some creators are getting millions of views and thousands of followers with only a few uploads. The best part? You can create these cinematic historical experience videos completely free using AI. In today's video, I'll show you the entire process from generating your story to creating realistic images, animating them, and editing everything into a viral shot. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and search for Explore GPTs. Open the GPT store and search for Historical Experience Generator or Historical Shorts. Choose one of the available GPTs and click Start Chat. The AI will ask you a few simple questions. First, choose the historical era you want to explore. You can select one of the suggested options or type your own. Next, choose the country or civilization where your story will take place. Finally, select the role you want to experience. You could be a farmer, soldier, merchant, king, explorer, or any other character. After a few seconds, the AI creates a complete storyline divided into multiple scenes. Each scene includes detailed image prompt and matching video animation prompt, so everything is ready for the next step. Now open Google Flow. Switch to image generation mode. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate. Choose the image that looks the most realistic, cinematic, and immersive to keep your characters and environment consistent throughout the video. Use the selected image as a reference before generating the next scene. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene until all of your images are complete. Now it's time to bring your scenes to life. Drag your first image into Google Flow. Switch to video mode. Select your preferred AI video model, choose the duration, and set the number of outputs. Copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate. Within seconds, your first animated scene will be ready. Repeat this process for every remaining image until all of your scenes have been converted into cinematic video clips. Open your favorite video editor such as Clipchamp, CapCut, and Canva. Import all of your animated clips. Arrange them in the correct order to tell a smooth and engaging story. To make your video immersive, add background music, sound effects, subtitles, and transitions. This will create a polished and engaging experience for your audience. Once satisfied, export your video in high quality. Congratulations! Your AI-generated historical experience video is now ready to upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels.
The time is right. Gather these goods.
Yes, my lord.
We will set out at dawn. May the gods guide you. The finest silver, straight from the mountains. A fair price for these, merchant? Come quickly, a new shipment has arrived. Assemble the warriors. Raise the shields. They are coming. Hold the line. Raise your shields. They come.
To grow your channel faster, create videos based on different civilizations, historical events, famous battles, ancient kingdoms, and everyday life from different time periods. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tutorials and content creation tips. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and take your content to the next level.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.